Another day for Palantir stock and the stock market, guys. And let me tell you, man, it is not looking pretty at all. So we got a double espresso for this video. We're going to need it. So hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account, and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, what are you waiting for? Use that Moomoo link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers again. Let's get into it. So Palantir right now is down just over 2%, and that's with the rally that we're seeing right now in the intraday or on the intraday chart. You guys can see we hit $71.75 earlier in the day. Now we're at $74, and we just hit almost $75 about 45 minutes ago. So that means earlier in the day, guys, we were down, let me see here, about, it's got to be like 4 or 5%. Yeah, about 5.5%. So we were down even more than what I thought. Now we're down about 2%. And notice here on the 5-day, 5-minute, guys, we're noticing something interesting. We are holding yesterday's low as support as of now when I'm making this video. That's at about $71, $75, $72, right? So we're holding that as support, clear as day. But at the same time, we're making lower highs. So you guys see these lower highs being made right here. Even now, real time, when I'm making this video, guys, we're at a lower high on PLTR. So this is pretty obvious, pretty clear as day. And this is actually nuts. We hit $80 yesterday in the pre-market, or was that Friday after the bell? Either way, we put in that 79, 75 lower high right here, another one right here, and another one right here as of now on the intraday. So this is a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern in the very short term. If this plays out, we might get more downside on PLTR. Maybe something like that. Maybe we start going back down towards $68, which is the low on this 30-minute chart. Is it not? Actually, no, 65 is. But 68 is the low from around a week ago. That's where we could go if we break under 71, $72. But as of now, guys, look, we're pushing mid-70s again. We're rallying a bit. We're at $74. So let's see if the bulls break out of this trend line. That'd be ideal. You know, if PLTR, if this breaks above both moving averages on this 30-minute chart and we take out this trend line right here, that's where momentum could start building up in the bulls' favor, which could get us, or that would potentially lead us to $75, maybe even higher. So PLTR at this point is down about 2%. We do have a descending triangle, not the best for the bulls, but there's still hope, obviously, because we are rallying pretty big time off the lows from today, and we're testing the trend line and the moving averages right now on the 30-minute chart. This spot, man, if we break, this descending triangle goes out the window, and, well, we might be going, mid-high 70s again. Dare I say $80 again if we're able to get out of here. So I'm going to set my alert for now at 70. Let's do $75 per share. Mark is at or above $75 per share. And again, if that breaks, mid-high 70s, maybe higher, could be around the corner. So in the short term, guys, we are looking a bit wonky. We're looking a bit wonky on these charts, no doubt about it. We have what I just outlined here. We also have on the 20-day chart, you might be able to see it, we have a wedge, right? We actually covered this, I think, in my video yesterday, which is why you guys have to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. I think 75% of you watch the videos, but for some reason, you're not subscribed. And while you're at it, join the email list, guys, for free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. That's linked right down below in the description box. So look, we have a wedge. Higher lows are being made, but we're also putting in pretty clear lower highs. You guys see these right here. We hit 82.70, put another one in at about $78, $79. And as of now, let me draw these out. Boom, 82.70, 78.79. We put in another one yesterday right before close at about 75.50. And now where we're at, this is another higher low or lower high, test at about $75 per share. So if we fail here at $75, we start dumping down. Maybe we take out the bottom of the wedge. But if we get the buying pressure above 75, above 76, 77, that's where we might start breaking out. So don't just pay attention to that descending triangle we covered earlier in the video on that smaller time frame. Also pay attention to this. On the 1 hour chart, pay attention to the wedge and really try and find out or pay attention to what side we break, what direction we end up picking. And obviously, if you're watching this this YouTube channel, you're subscribing, of course. We'll cover it in upcoming days. We'll do follow-ups, we'll do updates. But for now, you really got to pay attention to the direction, the wedge, what's going on here on the 4 hour. And also, you got to pay attention to the overall stock market, because if we do recover on QQQ, which Palantir is officially a part of now. So if we recover on QQQ as a whole, the S&P, Dow, Russell, that'd be obviously good for Palantir. It might give it some more green and more momentum to push higher, right? If we get the overall market to somehow turn green later today, maybe tomorrow, that'd be ideal for Palantir. But for now, we're actually in the red on all these indexes, guys. S&P 500 is down currently about 0.3%. SPY's at 604.85 as I'm making this video. Still trading pretty flat in this channel on the 10-day, 30-minute. You guys see it. SPY has been trading pretty flat. And QQQ is down about, 0.4 or 0.3%, same as SPY. So SPY and QQQ are both down, same amount. Dow's down a little over 0.5%. All right, not bad for the Dow there. And the Russell's down about 1%. But keep in mind, QQQ, guys, is still holding an uptrend. It looks really good compared to SPY, which, like I said, is trading sideways. It's been trading sideways for about 10 days to about 2 weeks now. So keep your eyes on the direction there on SPY. And on Russell, we're still actually downtrending, continuing the selling that we've seen over the last week or two. You guys see that, and the same thing is going on for on the Dow Jones, which ultimately, guys, mark my words, I think we're going to get a rebound on the Dow, whether it's at 42,500, 43, 43,500, that general area. We're going to get a rebound, in my opinion. And on the Russell, same thing, whether it's at 2250, 23, 2350, that general range. I think we'll get an uptrend continuation play, something like that. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. Very important. And get your free stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, it's the best deal out right now, and the clock is ticking. Use that link down below. Listen, once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, What are you waiting for? Use that link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/moo. Again, the clock's ticking, so get on it. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.